Hi guys, we'll be doing 5.3 increasing and decreasing intervals. So here I'm going to get started into the equation. So you can't really see it, I apologize, but I'll explain it really well. So right now I'm deriving the equation right here. So it's f of x equals to x cubed minus 12x plus 1, but derived equation is f prime of x minus 3x squared minus 12, and here I'm going to get the critical points. So I need the critical points to find what is increasing and decreasing in the intervals. So the critical points would be 2 and -1 after I factored out and set my equation equal to 0. But here for the intervals, I'm just putting f prime of x, what it would be once I plug it into the f prime of x, the points I meant that I'm choosing into f prime of x equation. Yeah, that was a mouthful. But for the interval I'm using, since my critical points is 2 and -2, so I'm starting with negative infinity to -2, open -2 as a critical point. I can automatically put 0 for that. I don't know why I did it, but your critical points always equal 0. Next is -2 to 2 interval. And after that, it would just be 2 as your critical points. And that would be equal to 0. I don't know. And again, I don't know why I didn't put it. And then for your other side, it would just be 2 to infinity plus positive infinity. But yeah, I put it. Yay. Okay, and for this one, I'm basically be taking points. Oh, that will always be 0. I'm just reminding you. But for this one, I'm going to always be taking points, and from this interval, negative infinity to -2, I took -3, which is number after -2, and I plugged it into my derived equation. And so my answer, after all this, 27 minus 12, blah, 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 is 15. Excuse me. Woo! Sorry. But for that answer to be 15, so automatically for that interval, I can put positive because my number is any number I plug into there will be a positive. Critical point 0, as we established in the beginning, but for my interval -2 to 2, I chose to do 0, because why not? And that is -12. Yep, -12. There you go. And for the last one I chose was 3, which is after 2, in the interval 2 to positive infinity, and that would just be 15. So that one will be positive. So automatically going off of this, I can decipher which intervals is increasing, which one is decreasing, depending on the f prime. So for my answer, increasing on the intervals negative infinity to -2 via 2 to positive infinity is increasing because f prime is greater than 0. And I'll be writing the statement right here. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Decreasing. I'm going really slow here. Decreasing on the intervals that are decreasing on -2, 2, which is the only one. It's because f prime is less than 0. There you go. Yay, goodbye. We got our answer.